Sanibona bafethu, namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngodaba likaThapelo Maseko. Thapelo Maseko umdlali weMamelodi Sundowns lo bafethu. Thapelo Maseko is a young player abayisayina kwi-SuperSport United, yabo. Ngezwe mahemhem kuthiwa iSuperSport United yamdayisa ngo-21 million imdayisele eMamelodi Sundowns, yabo. Because kwakumdlali odlala ngempela for iSuperSport kuleya season leya. Yabo wayijoyina-ke iMamelodi Sundowns. Thapelo Maseko wadlala kahle umjida, wathola isports sakhe kwi-AFCON. Wayehambile noHugo Broos beyodlala le e-Ivory Coast and umjida wayedlala ngempela. Yize-ke wayithola ama-injury here and there. Since wabuya kwi-AFCON umjida ubehlushwa ama-injury. Yabo ubehlushwa ama-injury engayitholi i-game time kuMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns bekhona iy'khathi la iMamelodi Sundowns imdlalise khona kwi-DDC, iphinde imbuyise, iphinde imbuyise kwi-DDC. But kule season le since isaqalile le season umjida it seems like udlala ngempela kwi-DDC. Join isibona la isithombe sakhe la 21 million player odlala kwi-DDC, yabo. Nokuhlwana lwehlako intwana yeMamelodi Sundowns ibidlala khona la. Ngizokhuluma about i-DDC. Angizile la ngizokhuluma umdlalo obiza 21 million odlala kwi-DDC, yabo. Anginendaba nalokho, yabo. Abantu abaningi it seems like abantu abaningi abasakhumbula ukuthi le league le yenzelwani, yabo. Abasakhumbula ngempela ukuthi le league le i-DDC DStv Diski Challenge yenzelwani. I-DStv Diski Challenge yenzelwa abadlali abangayitholi i-game time kwi-main team. Bayiswe lapha bayothola i-game time. Bathi ukudlala kancane bakhuphula izinga labo lokudlala khona bezongena kwi-main team, badlale kahle kwi-main team, benze izinto ezenzekayo kwi-main team, yabo. Bayibiza nge-reserve league. Bayibiza nge-reserve league i-DStv Diski Challenge. Ama-reserve ila badlali laba bangajwayele ukudlala. Nangu kuThapelo Maseko. uThapelo Maseko akajwayele ukudlala. Bamdlalisa lapha khona ezothola ama-minutes. Khona ezothola ama-minutes because usathana kubuya kwi-injury end. Usathana kubuya kwi-injury end. Kuhlone lwehlako another player ongajwayele ukudlala, yabo. He's another player ongajwayele ukudlala, so bamyisa lapha uthathola ama-minutes khona ezoba fit, yabo. So I don't get it why abantu abaningi begxeka lo uThapelo Maseko uthi adlale lapha. Bithi wayedlala lapha umdala, yabo, uzodlala kangcono kunezingane. Yes, izingane, it's a good thing ukuthi izingane ziyadlala lapha ku-DDC, but i-DDC yayenzelwe abadlali abama-reserve, yabo. Naku-ke sekuzodlaliswa nabafana abancane. Yes, there were many talent aqhamuka ku-DDC. Maningi ama-talent aqhamuka ku-DDC. Badlala abanje ngoPesitawo baqhamuka khona lapha. Many players umfukeng mfethu, yabo. You can name naye mfethu uThapelo Maseko usuka kuyona i-DDC, yabo. So I'm not disputing the fact that yaliproduce talent, but akumelanga kube khona inkinga mekuzoba khona abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala noma bangabadala kangakanani, yabo. Kumele bayithola i-game time kwi-DDC bebengajwayele ukuyithola i-game time kwe-first team, yabo. Yabona nje kwi-Pirates ngokwami uGilbert wakumele ayithole i-game time kwi-DDC. I'm just saying. Athi ukudlala kancane lapha ezansi, yabo. Athi ukuthola ama-minutes. There's a goalkeeper esayini Orlando Pirates, u-Ethan Versace. Abantu abaningi umhlaba bayazi lo goalkeeper lo. Usekadlala kule season kwi-DDC. Ethan Versace ugoalkeeper oyikhaladi usekwayivimbela i-DDC side ye-Orlando Pirates, yabo. Umdudu usishabalala, I think last season wadlala kwi-Kaizer Chiefs yabafana abancane, if I'm not mistaken, yabo. So i-DDC bafethu ningayitreat as i-league yabafana abancane kuphela. It's a reserve league. Abantu abaningi bangathuki mebebona umdlalo njengoThapelo Maseko osuka kwi-AFCON ehambe noHugo Broos, yabo, ezodlala kwi-DDC. Imenza lo mjida athola ama-minutes mfethu. Uzobuya soon kwi-main team yeMamelodi Sundowns. Nokuhlwana lwehlako intwana ayithola i-game time lapha phezulu. Ngosikhathi kukhona uManqoba Mnqathu beyithola i-game time uLehlako. Since kufika uMiguel Cardoso, I don't know. Maybe Miguel Cardoso doesn't believe in young talent. Maybe because noThapelo Maseko naye i-talent bethu usamncane kakhulu letla uMaseko. Maybe we'll see uThapelo Maseko moving ethola i-team entsha, asazi. But ke wena uthini umbono wakho about i-DDC? Should aba players adlala ku-main team come to i-DDC and get ama-minutes njengayo uThapelo Maseko, or i-league nje le yabafana abancane and abadlala ababizayo akumelanga baze la? Ngezwe ngawo mfethu, ungangitshela ama-comments uthini umbono wakho ngalento. But mina abantu abaningi akumelanga bagxile kuyona kakhulu, yabo. Umjida ubeyitholela ama-minutes because i-club iyabona usisazomdinga, kumele imise lapha athole ama-minutes.